This is how you trade with automated bots, and today's special we'll be doing trading, depositing, withdrawal from RunQuilly to Binance. So we get our automated bots in Binance, in RunQuilly I mean. And make sure you click the link in my bio for free classes. And if you comment in my videos, you get free capital for those who will be lucky. So this video is special today. We are trading with automated bots. Don't remember that. Automated bots is what we are trading with. And the automated bots are free in RunQuilly. So make sure you go to your browser, you download the app, and you register and verify your KYC and email to avoid further inconveniences. So we are trading with automated bots and making a withdrawal to Binance to eliminate the doubt of not able to withdraw, so that if you start with a good capital and make good profit. And the good capital to start with is 300 USDTs. So that being said, I'll just come to my trading bots. Remember, you have to fund your RunQuilly so that you can start trading with automated bots. So let me analyze the market first, then I get back to you guys. So I was checking the best bot to start with, and I saw one, but its capital is 1,000. We are capable of that, and it is Alpha Scout bot. So today we'll be trading with Alpha Scout bot. Is it Alpha Scout bot really? Let me check. Let me recheck. 15 hours. Yeah, I guess it is Alpha Scout bot. So let's just use Alpha Scout bot. Where is it again? I want the shortest one possible because it is copy trading. We don't want to stay in the market for long. So just come and enter my capital 1,000. You can see the maximum profit rate is 12-13% and maximum loss is 54 for now. So targeting the market is the best because the bot won't give you losses. If you enter with a profit, probably you will end up with a profit. So this bot is Alpha Scout bot, and you can see because our capital is high, it is 1,000, the profit will be higher. Also the losses will be higher. If it could be 100, this could be only 5 USDT's profit. Not bad, but at least we make something good. So you can see the loss also is big. So I guess I make a withdrawal first, then we start copy trading. So I'll just come to withdrawal, then I click on USDTs. I go copy my address in Binance. This I said will be the most longest and complicated video for automated bots, but what should we do? We do it. So I have copied my address and I'll paste it here. Then I'll enter 202. I had made a withdrawal of 7,500. I told you this Binance of mine, which I usually show in public, is just for tutorials. So I'll just withdraw. Then we check our trade. That's the important thing. I like when I withdraw, I just recover immediately. I just recover my money immediately. My guys, immediately. So our bot is at a PNL of 38 USDTs. So if you can risk 1,000 and get at least $100, that pays more than your job. So let's wait for it to arrive in my Binance. Then we start copy trading. Then you can see it is now at 82. That is in profit and it is in USDT. So let's wait. Then I'll get back to you guys for copy trading. So guys, my withdrawal has been approved. Let's check in transaction history. It has been approved. We can also check it here. You can see successful deposit on Binance and a transaction history, withdrawal approved. So we are good. Let's do copy trading. And I said I'll be approving the first 300. Make sure your capital is more than 300. I'll just come here. Do I have an active? Yeah, but not a copy trading one. So just click on share, generate code. If the code is generated, I copy it and share it on Binance, not on Binance actually, on WhatsApp and Telegram. So today I won't show that part. I don't want this video to go that long because we'll be getting more requests. Or let me just share on WhatsApp, then I show you on how to get the requests. So the code has been shared. Let's wait for the requests, and you will be amazed that so many people in WhatsApp are sending requests and with good capital. That's what I want you to see, my people. So it is automated bots, copy trading, and we've done our withdrawals, so we don't have any issues with withdrawals, and the requests have started being sent. 141, I'll approve. 53,000 USDTs, I'll approve. 10,000 USDTs, 120. I think this is a beginner, because if you've been in the market with me right now, the minimum you can start trading with is at least 5,000. 138, 124. From different countries, you can see the flags are different, and the names also. You can see 1,800, 60 from America, 50, 60. Surely. Okay. 1,792. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. This is trading with automated bots. It's trading with automated bots. 1,034. From Ghana, 132. I know that flag. 132. Remember, I do mentor worldwide. My mentorship is worldwide. And if you don't have the payment method that you can fund your RunQuilly with, then get to me. You can use Cash App, you can use Binance, you can use Bybit, you can use any account. I'll guide you. This one, 139. 1,000. So guys, I'll keep approving until we are at 300. Yesterday I did this one is for today. Yesterday I did 637 and 416. So we've been escalating things. Make sure you maximize your capital, get at least 1,000, and thank me later.